There is a very famous line: reality does not reward your imagination, it rewards your action. I used to think that dreaming was enough. I had imagined interviews, success, the version of me that were loved, respected, and admired. But honestly, that was not truth. Dreaming is not doing. I was just working inside my head while life was moving ahead without me. Mark Manson says, don't just sit there, do something, and the answer will follow. But I did exactly opposite. I just sat, scrolled, and fantasized. And the saddest part was, I have been calling it as a manifestation, but in reality, it was just a mental masturbation. And slowly, I killed the very dream I was obsessed with. Here, I will be sharing my highs, my failure, and the real shit I have learned along the way. I'm not here to act like a guru, I'm here to grow, reflect, and figure out things with you. So, if you are someone who is tired of just thinking and finally wants to do something, you are in the right place. Let's start with understanding what daydreaming, or what I called mental masturbation, really is. Daydreaming is when your mind drifts into an imagined scenario while you are awake. It's more often about your future, love, or success. And daydreaming itself is not that bad. We spend almost 30% of our awake hours spending inside our head. But it becomes toxic when you start obsessing about your success, your futures, your goals, your achievements without doing anything real to earn them. That cross the line when you are lying on your bed, picturing about interviews, love, fame, respect, but ignoring the real hard, boring work it takes to actually got there. You start creating fake energy on your head and mistake it for momentum. That's not progress, that is mental masturbation. You feel productive, but you are not. You feel inspired, but you are stuck. And slowly, the real dreams, they dies. Not because it was impossible. It's because you refuse to get up and take the real steps. Let's rewind to when I was preparing for NEET. I wanted to become a doctor. But instead of diving into textbook and practice questions, I found myself lost in thought. I imagined the day I would wear that white apron, the life I would live, the respect I would get. I created fake scenario in my mind. I was solving the problems of the future that did not even exist yet, while neglecting the present task that would make that future possible. While others failed and learned, I imagined and forgot. While others were building, I was buffering, stuck in my head. I was just romanticizing success while ignoring the real, brutal work it takes to actually get there. But slowly I am realizing that lying on bed and thinking about your success is not the path to success. It feels good but does not take you anywhere. What actually moves you forward is to take action. The real action, the tiny steps, the boring habits. That's what get you the life you keep imagining on your head. I am here to change my life and document that change step by step so I can see my progress and feel myself evolving and finally become the kind of person who does not just dream but builds too. That's why I have made two plans. First is to take small steps every day. Nothing crazy, just consistent movement. And second is to build small positive habits. Habits that make me little bit better, little more disciplined, and little more real. I know I am not perfect. I may still fall into that loop sometimes. But this time I know better. Now I catch myself and now I will do something about it. So if you are someone like me who is being stuck imagining more than doing, then I hope this video help you feel seen, because you are not alone. We have all been there. But now it's time to get out of your head and into your life. So start small, start messy, and start now. That's the most important part. And remember, reality does not reward imagination, it rewards your action. And if you are ready to walk this journey with me, then hit that subscribe button. Let's build that life we only used to fantasize about together.